Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain on Wix. So let's get started. First things first, on your Wix homepage, you want to navigate to the bottom left and click on Settings. Here, you're going to find Domains. Click on Domains. Now here, you'll be able to search up the domain that you would like. In my case, I'm going to go for How to Internet 101, and then I'm going to see if it's available. Hey, it's available. Great. So now we just click Get It. Once you click Get It, you are going to be prompted to choose the registration period. For this case, I'm going to use 1 year. As you can see, it's 15.95. Okay. Next, it's going to ask me to fill out my personal information. Go ahead and do so. On the next page, it's going to ask you if you would like to add a privacy protection. I'm just going to choose the basic protection. Then click Continue. And now the final step is to complete your checkout. You can see I have a saved payment method, which is PayPal, and I'm just going to click Submit Purchase. So once I click this button, 19.77 euros is going to be deducted from my PayPal account. And as you can see, the domain has been bought. So this is how you buy a domain in Wix. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.